what did we get today? Oh, look at that. Engine number 3. This one came from a new buyer. He took pictures of it for me before he wrapped it up and sent it off. So I'm about 99% sure this one's a keeper. That is, unless they did the old bait and switch, but I really don't think so. This place is supposed to be pretty reputable. I heard from a lot of people. They said I should go with this company, so here it is. Let's get it in the back. Get it unwrapped. We'll pull that valve cover off. Give it a once over. Hopefully, it'll be good and we can start tearing it down. Then we can get it in the car finally. All right, here we go. All right, y'all should know the deal by now. Open it up, see what we got inside. There she is. Engine number 3. Not quite sure what that is. It came off of there. We'll keep it. All right. Looking fairly decent. Like a used engine. It's not all rusty though. I've seen better days, but that's going in the trash. No big deal. That's pretty interesting. Not sure what that is, but I'm guessing I'm gonna have to replace it. We'll look into that a little later. I guess we should start with the basics. See if we can do better than the last one on the old dipstick pull. Well, it's got oil in it. Doesn't look bad. Not nearly as chunky as that last one. Like I said, they sent me pictures of this one. Pretty sure we're good to go here. Oh yeah, lots better. All right, let's pull this valve cover off. See what we got. Now, the moment of truth. Easy this one comes off. Yeah, buddy. That's a lot better. This is what I was hoping to see the first time. Let's get you over here. You can take a little bit better look. You remember the pile we had here last time? But yeah, I'm liking that a lot better. We're gonna have to do a little closer inspection, but look, oil and not dirt. I can see the bottom. Not filthy. Wow. What a difference the vendor makes. I'm pretty happy. It took 3 engines, but we're here. All right, so the plan now, we got to start tearing this guy down so we can get it in the engine bay. We're definitely going to need some mounts if we want to use this thing. So first things first, we're going to, maybe not in this order, we're going to pull this off, get rid of this exhaust manifold, and do a little bit of checking on the engine, see how that goes. Then we're going to take this intake manifold off, because we don't need it either. This being a front wheel drive setup, these are garbage. If you need them, let me know. I'll sell them to you dirt cheap. Got to figure out what this is, why there's a hole in it, why I can see that spring. But otherwise, I'm pretty happy with this. We'll get this flywheel off. Got a starter here. We'll just check everything out, make sure it's good. Then we'll get it strapped up on the crane. Well, actually, first what we're going to do is we're going to put that awesome TF Works adapter plate on here. We'll get the flywheel in, we'll get the clutch in, we'll get the transmission on. From what I understand, we're going to have to carve out a little chunk of that transmission bell housing so this starter has a place to go. So all that is coming up. So today, I think we're going to put this valve cover back on and go inside. It's like I said, it's about 112 degrees heat index today. Dragging this thing back here wasn't the easiest thing I've ever done, and it's the third time I've done it. So stay tuned, and we'll get her done. All right, well, we made some pretty good progress so far. Got the exhaust manifold off. Got what I assume is the heater core housing. Not quite sure. I'll have to look that up. Got the intake manifold off. We've got most of the accessories except for the water pump. I do want to keep this tied to the pallet as much as possible until I get it outside because I have no other way of moving this. It slides on the pallet. I'm pretty sure I couldn't just pick it up. I want to paint the valve cover, but I also want to pressure wash this thing. I do plan to paint it. I got some more of that aluminum paint. So I guess I'll need to pull the water pump housing. I don't know. I'm going to clean it up first before I take anything else off of it that might leave some holes. I will cover up the intake and exhaust holes so I don't get anything in there, as well as the coil packs. Got some of that tape left over, the yellow tape you might have saw in a previous episode. Does a really good job, so I'll just clean that up, tape it off, and then pressure wash the heck out of this thing. Then we'll start taking the rest of the accessories off and get a real little coat of paint. Alright, well, I decided to take the rest of the stuff off before I power wash it. I'm going to take the starter motor. I'm going to take this off. I know I need to undo these to get that stuff off. I'll reattach them somewhere else. Not sure what that is, but I'm guessing I don't need it. It doesn't look like it's holding anything on. Besides that, flywheel for the automatic. I'm gonna leave the oil filter on there, and then all these sensors and stuff, I might pull some of them, plug the holes. The other ones I might just cover up. We'll see how that goes. Well, pressure washed, all cleaned up, drying off. It's not perfect. I didn't expect it to be. It's not like the engine's brand new. If it comes out half decent, I'll be happy. We'll paint it up. And yeah, I think it'll look alright. All right, well, this is as far as I've gotten. Block is painted. Valve cover's nice and painted up. Not sure why I painted this. You can tell I didn't do a great job. But I have another timing cover that I'm going to paint and get it all sealed up and stuff once I can get this off. Get this pulley out of here. We'll repaint the pulley too. But I think it turned out pretty nice. I do like the black off the silver. 'Tis the theme, I guess, at this point. Next time, we'll be sealing up the engine. Getting it ready to mate up with the transmission. And we'll get it in the car. Start fabbing some mounts. That's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it.